thank you for watching. If you like this look, please keep on watching and like and subscribe and comment down below. This palette I'll be using is the Crown Pro, and I'll be using this shade. Brush I am using is from Wet n Wild, and it's a crease brush. Palette I'll be using is from Alamar Cosmetics, and it's the Reina del Caribe Volume 1 palette, and the shade I am using is called Tropical. Shade is called Guantanamera. Cut my crease, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. Going back with the Crown Pro palette, I'll be using this white shade. Now I'm going to be reapplying this shade on the outer corner. Now I'm going to be going with Tropical again. Back with the Guantanamera. For the wing liner, I'll be using the NYX Vivid Brights in the shade Pastel Yellow. Now I will be applying the NYX glitter on top of the wing liner. Mascara, I'll be using the Wonder Beauty Unleashed. I'm not sure the name of the brand on these lashes, but these are the ones that I'm going to be using. Eyeliner, I'll be using the Chunty Blue in the shade Charcoal. Primer, I'll be using the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Classic Ivory. I am using this from Luxie, and it's a 660 Precision Foundation brush. For bronzer, I'll be using the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. Blush, I'll be using the Not Cosmetics Desert Blush. brush I am using is from Luxie, and it's the 516 dual fiber powder brush. The Earth in Naturally Natural. I'm back with the Jonte Blue in the shade Charcoal. I will be applying the shade under my eye. Applying Tropical as well. Highlight, I'll be using the Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. Brush I'll be using is from Luxie, and it's the 522 tapered highlighter brush. Lips, I'll be using the Galactic in the shade Posh. We're using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Poet. For setting spray, I'll be using the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. So this is the end of my tutorial. Hope everyone enjoyed, and please like and subscribe, and maybe comment down below what your thoughts were about this tutorial, and thanks for watching.